Okay, we're up here in Tonawanda. We've got a tutor style, so we got two front peaks, one over there and one over here. We're going to end up taking the brown aluminum trim up the gable and all the verticals, and then the horizontal ribbon, and take that all off along with the window trim. Give it a new hardy board stucco here and there. We're going to pre-flash the horizontal trim board. We're going to give them all new verticals, which is basically nothing more than a 1x4, and get that all sealed in on everything. And then we're going to flash down over top of it with the gable and make sure that ribbon board is flashed onto the siding on both. And then over on the side of the house, we've got 3 sets of shutters going into brick. So, and they're 18-inch wood right now. I'm going to give them the options of the different style, whether they want to do with a raised panel or louvered. I don't know if we can get a mix, but I'm sure we can. So